Hey guys, Gadget Droid here. If you're serious about jumping into custom apparel printing, the WUMSTOT A3 Dual XP600 Pro DTF printer is the kind of machine that makes you rethink what's possible in a small workshop setup. Out of the box, you get a full starter bundle with everything you need to start printing immediately: 5 full 1000 ml bottles of CMYK+White ink, 328 feet of premium 11.8-inch DTF film, 2.2 pounds of transfer powder, and the Maintop RIP software, all paired with detailed video tech support to guide you through setup, calibration, and operation, which is a godsend for beginners. What really sets this printer apart is its dual XP600 printhead system, which means you're essentially doubling your printing lifespan while maintaining exceptional color accuracy, and the intelligent white ink circulation system prevents the usual clogs and ink settling issues that plague single-head setups. This isn't just a printer, it's a full production solution. The included powder shaking and color fixing machine guarantees that your prints adhere perfectly and last on a wide range of fabrics, from cotton to polyester, nylon, and even leather, giving you the versatility that traditional screen printing just can't match. Performance-wise, this machine is a workhorse, capable of producing between 1 to 3 square meters of print per hour depending on your settings, so it's ideal for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and anyone serious about producing professional-grade custom t-shirts efficiently. The printer itself is designed to handle widths up to 13.2 inches, and combined with the dual printheads, it eliminates the common bottlenecks you find with slower printers while keeping every color consistent and vibrant. Operating is surprisingly straightforward. Compatible with Windows 7, XP, and 10, the Maintop software makes managing print jobs intuitive, and the automated white ink circulation means you don't have to worry about wasting ink or dealing with blockages, which can save both time and money. The machine itself is solid, built with an aluminum enclosure and weighing around 200 pounds, which gives it a professional feel and stability, while the yellow design adds a distinctive, industrial aesthetic that stands out in any workshop. You also get lifetime video tech support and a 1-year warranty, which really shows the company's confidence in the product, and for anyone new to DTF printing, having access to detailed tutorials, remote assistance, and troubleshooting guides is invaluable for avoiding common mistakes and getting up to speed quickly. From a technical standpoint, it runs on a standard 110 volts, 60 Hz power supply, and optimal printing conditions are straightforward. Temperatures between 68 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity around 45 to 65%. The printer's dimensions are manageable at 23.6 inches deep, 37.4 inches wide, and 15.7 inches tall, making it suitable for home studios or small workshops without overwhelming the space. What's exciting about the WUMSTOT DTF printer is how it empowers creators. Whether you're producing one-off custom designs or running small batch production, the combination of dual XP600 heads, high-capacity ink, automated white circulation, and the powder shaking machine means your output looks professional every time. Even on dark fabrics where white ink performance is critical, you can literally transform your creative vision into wearable products with minimal hassle, which is exactly what makes this system stand out from entry-level or traditional screen printing setups. The versatility alone, working seamlessly on cotton, polyester, nylon, leather, and mixed materials, opens up opportunities for a wide variety of projects, from t-shirts and hoodies to bags, hats, and more. Pair that with the comprehensive starter kit, and you've got everything you need to get started immediately without hunting for additional supplies. It's not just about the print quality either, it's about the workflow efficiency. The dual head system and optimized RIP software mean fewer interruptions, faster production cycles,